big props to you guys for making it out here with your badass cars. The roster looks amazing, so our goal is to obviously get you guys going all day long, keep the pace moving, and make sure that everybody's safe. From the start line to that is a half mile, and then once you get past the finish, you just want to get on your brakes, smooth and firm. So when you see grass, turn left. And then when you see grass again, make another left. It's a big U-turn to the left. We've had the world record run was here, 260 miles per hour. We also had a motorcycle go 215 here. We've had many cars go 230, 240, 250.
Done to this?
It's the Alpha 12 kit, and it's turned up a little bit higher than Alpha 12 kit. It's got the full like stage 5 or 6 transmission, all billet gears, and we're probably a little over 1,300 horsepower to the wheels. I like to call it 1320.
Yeah. That's awesome. That launch is wild.
I know, on asphalt too.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yet today?
Just one this morning. I spun hard first and ended up bouncing off the rev limiter.
What did it end up running?
152. So not bad. She's got a little.
Yeah. You just local around here?
Yep, I live in Marion.
Oh, well that's convenient.
Yeah, bought this car a week and a half ago.
Give me your first pass.
First pass today.
What'd you go yesterday?
Low boost 161, and then I broke a transmission, so I haven't really gotten any fast passes.
Run. What has been your fastest pass this weekend?
The hose off.
Go to the right, go to the... You're good, you're good, you're good.
Back to Kennedy Racing, English Racing built GTR. Take a look at them over in the pit. You can find it.